Playlists on TikTok are a great way to organize your videos, especially if they have connection, like a series, for example. I'm going to show you in this video how to easily create them. Go to your profile and click on TikTok Studio. Scroll down and you're going to find more tools and you'll find playlist. Click on that and create new playlist. Once you name it, click next and choose the videos you want to include in that playlist. Once you're done, click done and you can see your playlist right there. To change your playlist, go to your profile again, click on the playlist and click those three little dots in the corner in the top. Click on add posts or remove posts and do what you like. You can also add your videos into the playlist if you click on the video and then again three little dots and add your video to the playlist and you can choose which one. I wrote an ebook about TikTok and I put together some hacks, tips and secrets because I've talked to so many creators and you can now download it for free. Check out the link in the description of this video. Enjoy! If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you and I'll see you next time.